Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to update apps on your Redmi K70 Ultra phone. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're going to open up our Play Store app, and then we're going to click on the icon of our profile at the top, and then we're going to click on Manage Apps and Device, and here you can see the Updates Available option. So you can click on See Details or just Update All. I'm going to click See Details, and you can see all of the apps that need to be updated. So for example, I want to update YouTube. I'm just going to click on Update, and you can see that the app is now updating right here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.